In this video, we are going to create this design using Canva. This tutorial is beginner friendly, therefore you don't have to be afraid. All the files used in this tutorial. The link to download them is in this video description. If you are ready, let's dive in.
Ready.
Open your Canva and click on Create New. Go to Custom Size. Input this values, width is 1080, height is 1080. And click on Create New Design. Go to Upload and upload your files by clicking on Upload Files. Now click on the background image to add it to your canvas. Use the corner point to scale it up to cover the canvas. Go to Elements, under Shapes. Click on See All and pick Rectangle. Change the color to white. Select the rectangle shape and scale it up, using the corner points. Use the rotation button under it to rotate it a little. Scale it again and move it down. Place it properly following what is on the screen. Go to Upload and select the product image. Scale it using the corner points and place it perfectly. Click on Edit Photo and select Shadows, and follow the settings on the screen. If you encounter this color change, press Ctrl+C on your keyboard. Now click on Text and scroll down to pick this text combination, or use any text of your choice. Select the text and click on Ungroup, then delete the second text. Select the text and double-click on it to edit the text content. Select the text and click on Italics. Then place the text perfectly. Use the rotation button by the side and rotate it a little. Now select the text and duplicate it. Follow what is on the screen. Change the color to white. Duplicate it and follow what is on the screen. Go to Elements, under Shape, pick this particular shape. Change the color to white and scale it up as seen on the screen. Rotate it a little and place it properly. Go to position and take it backward. Duplicate the text and edit it like this. Click on spacing to increase the spacing between the characters. And you should have something like this. If you are getting value from this video, like and subscribe to my channel. Do some little adjustments and you will be good to go. Go to text to add text. Follow what I'm doing on the screen now. Now let's add our contact information and the Order Now button. Now click on Share to download your design. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more amazing tutorials.